Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the wonderful world of olives and explore the numerous benefits they offer for our skin. Olive oil, derived from the fruits of the olive tree, has been used for centuries for its remarkable properties. Let's uncover some of the incredible benefits it brings to our skincare routine. Olives are a powerful antioxidant food. It combats free radicals that cause aging. Eating olives helps skin stay soft and healthy since they contain other antioxidants, vitamin E and vitamin A. Vitamin E prevents the formation of free radicals, which can cause skin diseases while keeping the skin moisturized. In addition, it protects the skin from harmful UV rays and reduces signs of aging. We will be sharing some easy-to-use and effective tips to use olive to improve your beauty. Please watch this video till the end to know about all these tips. Anti-aging concoction. The antioxidants present in olive oil, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, help fight free radicals that contribute to premature aging. Regular use of olive oil can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a youthful complexion. To prepare this concoction, you will need lemon juice 1 tablespoon, olive oil 1 tablespoon. Mix the lemon juice well in olive oil. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Apply this concoction all over the face and massage for 3 to 4 minutes. Olive oil face pack for sunburn and acne. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for soothing irritated or sensitive skin. It can help alleviate conditions like eczema and psoriasis, providing relief and reducing redness and itching. This face pack not only works well to soothe sunburns, but it also helps in lessening pimples. To make this face pack, you will need virgin olive oil 1 teaspoon, aloe vera juice 4 tablespoons. Mix olive oil with aloe vera juice and make a smooth mixture. Apply this mixture to your face and rinse off after 15 to 20 minutes. Use this face pack thrice a week for the best results. Olive oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. It penetrates deep into the skin, providing hydration and nourishment. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, it helps retain moisture, keeping the skin soft and supple. The skin on our entire body can benefit from fine extra virgin olive oil, which can strengthen the skin in areas where it is thinner, fragile, and less elastic, such as the neck, inside of upper arms, or the back of hands. If you regularly rub a few drops of organic olive oil on your face after your evening skincare routine, you'll soon start to notice its amazing benefits on your face. Extra virgin olive oil night care routine. Apply extra virgin olive oil on the facial area using your fingertips for 5 minutes. Next, dip a face cloth in hot water, press and hold the cloth against your face, and gently wipe off the oil. Use this trick every day before going to bed. You will start to notice a positive difference within a month. The combination of its moisturizing, nourishing, and protective properties makes olive oil a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Whether you use it directly on your skin, as an ingredient in homemade face masks, or even in your diet, olives and olive oil can contribute to your overall skin health. There you have it, the incredible benefits of olives for your skin. From moisturizing and anti-aging effects to soothing properties and antioxidant power, olive oil truly is a natural treasure for your skin. So why not incorporate it into your skincare regimen and enjoy all the goodness olives have to offer? Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.